Well, I am ready. Now I am teaching you complete sentence. Complete sentence is a very important event which what the students who knows very much this sentence, they are skilled to write anything free. So you must learn this grammatical item very sincerely. Otherwise, you will not complete any sentence or you will not write any topics freely. So, in last class, I learned you some complete sentence. Today, I want to teach you the next part of the complete sentence. There are the sentence which is combined with while. In the garden. If two sentences joined with while, you must know the word. Next, the word of while is ing and the other clause must be present tense. While walking in the garden, the next clause must be future indefinite tense. ये इसमें between while up in the garden is the between. So while up in the garden he saw a tiger. You must write this kind of sentence. We know there are proverbs that you must memorize, otherwise you will not complete this kind of sentence, such as all that glitters. All that glitters. This sentence is written and you must write the other part of this sentence. All that glitters is not gold. All that glitters is not gold. That means chocolate shona hoy na. The other sentence is where there is there the will. This clause is written here and the other clause you will write. Where there is a will, there is a way. Is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way. That means ইচ্ছা থাকিলে উপায় হয়. The another sentence is a thing of beauty. A thing of beauty is joy forever. Is joy forever. A thing of beauty is joy forever. That means সুন্দর বস্তু চিরদিনই আনন্দদায়ক. Here, this part is written and the other part will be written. Thank you. The another sentence is black will take this part is written and you must write the other part. Black will take no other hue. Other hue. That means color दिलेও মজা যায় না. You must memorize this sentence, otherwise you will not write the other part of this sentence. Something is better. This part is written. Something is better than nothing. Something is better than nothing. That means Manamase Kaman Anamai Halu. You must write the other part of this clause. If two clauses is joined with if you help me, I will grateful to you. I will grateful to you. Here, if you help me, I will grateful to you. The if two clause is joined with if, first clause will be present indefinite and the other clause will must be future indefinite. I will grateful to you. Here another sentence is if you take exercise. If you take exercise, this clause is present indefinite, the other clause will be future indefinite. And if you take exercise, you will keep fit. If you take exercise, you will keep fit. If clause is present indefinite and other clause will be future indefinite. There are some other sentence which has no definite rules. You must write in your own thinking, like I know that. You must write the other clause of your own thinking. I know that he is an honest boy. He is an honest man. If you must write another sentence that kind. I know that his father is a father. He is a father. Here you must write in your own thinking, and this kind of sentence will be first clause will be present and the other clause will be future or past, such as his father was a service holder. Such as this kind, this clause is present indefinite and the other clause is future and past indefinite. You must write in your own way. There are some other proverbs like health is wealth, such as health is an important thing. Health is an important thing. Important thing. Is very very precious. Here health is an important thing which is very precious. Health another complete sentence which is maintained in sequence such as there are some proverbs like united we stand. United we stand. The first clause and the other clause is divided by 4. Divided by 4. একতায় উত্থান বিভেদের পতন. There are some complete sentence which is no rules but maintaining sequence. We must wash our sequence, maintaining sequence. We must work hard in order that we can prosper in life. We can shine in life. Right. We must work hard so that in order that we can shine in life. Here, the two clause is joined with in order that. In this kind of sentence, you must write can after the second subject. Otherwise, it is not correct. A man who is lazy. A man who is lazy cannot shine in life. It is a simple sentence, so it has no clause. It is hard labor which help us to develop, which that helps us to develop. develop. The Dell cannot reach their target because they lost their valuable time. The Dell cannot reach their target because they waste their valuable time. Unless you work hard, you cannot shine in life. You cannot shine in life. You cannot shine in life unless you work hard. It is a secrecy maintaining passage, so you must learn this kind of sentence. Otherwise, you will not complete the completing sentence. Thank you very much. Today is finished. Thank you very much.